Hey, this is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and today we are at an unusual location for our video. We are at a sports complex. It's the Thyagaraj Sports Complex, and we are here to cover a sporting event. Well, if you're asking which sporting event, it's not football, it's not basketball, it's not cricket, it's the PUBG finals. We are here for the Vivo PUBG Club Open finals in India finals, and there are 16 teams here who are going to compete with each other, and those 16 teams, there's one team out of them who's going to win this, and they're going to go to Berlin and represent our country in the PUBG Global Finals. So without any further ado, let's see what's happening inside. We are in the middle of, I don't think you can hear anything that I'm saying because we are in the middle of match 2, and Devam will show you what's happening on the screen right now. Everyone's going bonkers, the whole crowd behind everyone going bonkers. That is the craze of PUBG, and that is the craze of these top 16 teams right here. And the last match was actually won by Indian Tigers. Right now, Team Soul is also here, which is quite popular, and Team Soul has already lost one guy, and we are in the middle of match 2. So So we are finally done with covering the PUBG finals here in India. We still have one more day to go for the finals to finish, but the winner here is actually going to represent the country in a Berlin final for PUBG Global. So it was a fun event, as you saw. It was one of a kind event. I've never been to such an event. I don't know if I can call it a sports event, but it did have that kind of adrenaline rush inside. So it was a lot of fun, and let us know how much fun you had. Let us know if you would actually want to go and watch an event like this. Another thing was that all these PUBG players were actually playing from a Vivo phone, and they were using the Vivo Z1Pro, which is yet to launch in our country, and that is for the smartphone fans out there, because the Z1Pro is yet to launch in the country. And these guys were playing using this, so that's a good feat. It's probably a gaming phone. Vivo has already told us that it's a gaming phone, so look forward to it. Our review on the channel will also be coming very soon, so stay subscribed. With that, I leave you to it. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and I'll see you in the next one.